Have you ever struggled with creating checkboxes in Excel? Today, I'm here to simplify the process and have you saying, creating checkboxes in Excel is a breeze. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to create checkboxes but also witness how they can transform the way you work with Excel. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable developer options. I have my to-do list here, and I want to make it easier to track my progress by adding checkboxes. Here's how you can do it. Go to the File menu. Click on Options to find the developer selection. Choose Customize ribbon. In the Customize section, scroll down and click the checkbox for developer. Click OK. And you'll see the developer option added to the toolbar. Step 2. Insert checkboxes. Click on Developer and select Insert. Choose Checkbox and drag it to the desired cell. In this demonstration, I'll place it here. Step 3. Customize and expand. Once you've created the checkbox, you can manually adjust its alignment. To add more checkboxes, simply select the cell and drag it down. That's it. We've successfully added checkboxes. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.